Having a video background on your WordPress website can have some benefits. In a day and age when the attention span is just a few seconds, a moving background can redirect the user's attention to your message. This can result in leads and conversion for your business or blog. A video background is not ideal for every case. To see if it works for you, you have to learn how to do it. In this video, you will learn 3 different ways to create a video background for your WordPress website. I will show you how you can do this with WPBakery and Elementor page builders and with CSS. Hi, my name is Adrian and this channel is all about WordPress. I post WordPress tips and tutorials weekly, so you'll learn more about this wonderful content management system. If you would like to know when I'm releasing a new video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. With that being said, let's start today's tutorial. I'm going to start with the WPBakery. I think this page builder is one of the most used. Basically, every single premium theme up to like 2 years ago or 3 years ago was using WPBakery because this was one of the first premium page builders that actually changed the game for WordPress. You can create with WPBakery every kind of page that you want. They have a lot of customization, they have a lot of add-ons, a lot of support, and they have a large community. So if you don't find something in the documentation or don't have time to look into that documentation, most likely somebody already asked that question, so you can search it on their forum. This website is using the WPBakery page builder, so I'm going to demonstrate how you can create video background with WPBakery. So first you have to go into a page or create one. I'm going to use an existing one, and what you need to do is to add a new row, and inside of the row you click the edit button, and if you scroll down you'll see if you want to use video background, and you can click yes. And I have a video background already copied, so I'm pasting it here. I will save the changes. And to see if this works, I will just add a heading. And I will add the title here. And save the changes. What I want to do next is to add a little bit of padding so you can see the video background better. So I will add just a bit of padding here, like 100 pixels and 100 pixels. Save the changes. If we hit preview, you can see here I have the video background with the title. We can put this on the top. Usually that's where you want to put your video background, just to capture the user's attention above the fold. So we can move this on the top here and preview the changes, and you can see I have the video title here. This type of background will be different from theme to theme, because usually when you buy a premium theme, they kind of add their own widgets and they are modifying a bit the basic WPBakery page builder. In my case here, I have it in the pro settings, but I think they are a version of the WPBakery that have a dedicated widget for the video background. Most likely for most of the WPBakery versions, you will find it inside of the raw settings or inside of the section settings. That's how you can add a video background with WPBakery. Next, I will show you how you can add a video background with Elementor Page Builder. This Page Builder is becoming more and more popular on the WordPress platform because they have a really powerful free version, which I'm going to use for this tutorial. So let's install the Elementor Page Builder to this website. So go under plugins and add new and search for Elementor. And install and activate. Okay, so go under pages and add a new page, or you can use an existing one and click edit with Elementor. And what you need to do next is to add a new section. And inside of that section, if you go select the section and go under style, you see you have here a video. So you can have your video background displayed here. Okay, so I already did that. And just let's add some padding just to see the video background better. So padding will be 100%. So you see you have here a moving background, and if you just collapse this, you can see it looks nice. I don't have a full width container here, but you get my point. If you are using a free theme and want to have a video background, you can easily do that with Elementor Page Builder. That's how you can add a video background to your WordPress website with Elementor Page Builder. There is no easy way to create a video background with CSS. It requires you to create a video layer inside of the HTML of that page. Even if you do it inside of the WordPress editor, or if you create a custom page template, or if you edit your header, if you want to have the video background for all of your pages. To be quite honest, I don't think you really need to do that. You are better off using Elementor Page Builder, even if it's just for this purpose. But there is a work around it. You can have a moving background in the form of a GIF. The quality of the GIFs improved in the last years, so you can have a really decent quality of a GIF inside of your header. So let's grab a GIF. Code. Hashtag just to have. Okay. You go to copy link and copy this link, not the HTML5 video or the short one, but the full GIF. I have created this website with the 2021 WordPress theme, so I will be replacing only the top part. If you want to know how I created this website only with the 2021 WordPress theme without any plugins or any page builders, using only the Gutenberg page builder, you will have a link down in the description and you will have a notification on the screen. To replace this image with a GIF, you have to click customize and go under additional CSS. This background is created with the background setting of this theme. So I cannot have a URL. I have to update something from the media library. So I'm going to use CSS to override that setting. Inside of the CSS, I will write the class of this container, and I will be pasting the GIF that I just copied. Background image and URL, and I will paste the GIF here. And if I hide the controls, you see I have a nice video background. As I said, there is no other way you can add a video background with CSS. You have to create a video layer inside of the HTML of your page. And in CSS, you will just style it, like giving the dimension of the video container. That's about it for today's video. If you have any additional questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will be more than happy to help you. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a like. And if you want to be noticed when I'm releasing a new WordPress tutorial, subscribe to my channel.